Hi, welcome to Laurel Drive in beautiful Altadena. Here we are situated on the end of a cul-de-sac with great mountain views, and close by as well, this property is the Loma Alta Park and Charles Farnsworth Park, two great family-friendly parks, as well as some great biking trails and hiking trails, chain trails close by, Echo Mountains right down the road. Let's check out the house. Come on in, this is the living room, created by a great space here, large, lots of room for entertaining, for family and friends. My favorite of this room is the accent yellow ceiling and the fireplace. But let's go on down the hallway and check out the bathrooms and the bedroom. First we have the main bathroom, totally redesigned, new tile. Our first bedroom is right off the bathroom with great natural light overlooking the backyard with mature fruit trees. And our second bedroom is a large, spacious room with wood paneling and great mountain views. Last is a primary suite with a his and hers closet, large room, plenty of space for a king bed, accent wall with more mountain views out the front yard. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the house. Off the living room is our great dining room with a large window and accent wall, the paneling, and the kitchen, redesigned, bright, airy kitchen overlooking the bonus room in the back. This room is my favorite. Has the wood exposed beams, great sitting corner to enjoy with the accent wood paneling. We have our second bathroom, redesigned, all new tile, new seamless shower. And my favorite room of all is the sunroom. Amazing tile design floor, lots of natural light, great space, evening sunsets, and views of LA out the back window. Let's go ahead and check out the backyard. Back here we have two patio areas, a nice grassy space for your furry pets, 3 mature fruit trees, and a large 2-car garage with tons of options. Thank you so much for checking out this property. Let us know if you have any questions or you would like a private tour. Thank you.